Hey everyone, welcome back to Trailvia. If you love jaw-dropping architecture and futuristic design, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Trailvia for more awesome content like this. Today, I'm taking you on a quick tour of 7 US homes that look like they belong in the future. These aren't just places to live, they're works of art, blending wild imagination with next-level innovation. Ready? Let's jump in. First up, the High Desert House in Joshua Tree, California. Designed by Ken Kellogg for artists Bev and Jay Doolittle, this masterpiece took nearly 20 years to complete. Its organic, almost alien shape is meant to blend with the rocky desert landscape. The roof? It's a series of fanned columns that overlap, creating a canopy that looks straight out of a sci-fi movie. Despite being over 30 years old, this place still feels like it's from the future. Next, let's head to Las Vegas for the Tres Arca House. Forget the Strip. This home is a showstopper in its own right. Designed by Assemblage Studio, it uses river rock, marble, and granite. The stacked form is all about indoor-outdoor living. The net screening on the upper story protects from the harsh sun and casts amazing shadows that make the walls look like art. Now, check out House Zero in Austin, Texas. Lake Flato teamed up with Icon, a 3D printing company, to create this mind-blowing house in 2022. The curved walls aren't just cool, they're energy efficient and help the airflow. With robotic construction and a special cement-like material, House Zero is sustainable and keeps temperatures stable inside. That means less need for heating or AC. How's that for future-proof? Let's go to the beach, the dome of a home in Pensacola Beach, Florida. Architect Jonathan Zimmerman had a thing for domes, and it shows. This 200-square-foot home is nearly soundproof, super energy efficient, and has survived some of Florida's toughest hurricanes. When Hurricane Ivan hit in 2004, the dome barely blinked while most of the area was devastated. Heading to Reno, Nevada, meet the Shapeshifter House by OPA. Built on a flat lot, the design literally reshaped the land, creating a house that rises and dips with the desert terrain. The zinc-paneled roof, huge glass windows give it a look that's bold and futuristic. It might not be for everyone, but it definitely stands out in the neighborhood. Now, for something truly out of this world, the Futuro House. Originally designed by Finnish architect Matti Saronen in 1968, these UFO-shaped homes were made from fiberglass and could be transported anywhere. About 60 were built, and you can still find them scattered across the US. They're rare and quirky, and their spaceship vibe never gets old. Last but not least, the Starburst House in Joshua Tree, California. Designed by James Whitaker, this home is made from shipping containers arranged in a starburst pattern. The white exterior pops against the desert colors, and the plan is for a sleek, modern interior. The catch? It hasn't actually been built yet. All it needs is a buyer willing to invest a cool $3.5 million to make it happen. So, which of these futuristic homes would you move into if you could? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Trailvia for more amazing journeys into the world of design and innovation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.